Calm before the storm. Hurricane Sandy's due to hit us later today. I hope these trees in our yard stay standing. It's the only thing I'm truly worried about. I think the house will be okay standing and all that stuff. I just worry about the trees because we have plenty of them. Right now it's just rainy, yucky, cold and dreary. The wind is starting to pick up some, but it's not too bad. They're saying it's supposed to be like later this afternoon around 5. We're really supposed to start getting hit, so I'll keep you guys all posted on what's going on. I'm keeping everybody in my thoughts and prayers that are in the path of this Sandy. God bless you all. Take care.